How to clear all cache and junk from your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clear all junk and all cache from your Windows device. So let's get started. The first step you will need to do is open up your run. To open up your run, simply press on the Windows plus R key and your run will open up. After your run opens up, what you'll need to do is you'll need to type in junk, temp, and hit enter. So give it access, and now this is your chunk, the temp memories. What you'll need to do is Control A and delete everything. That is the first step. Then what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to your run again, press Windows R and type here prefetch and hit enter. Give it access again, and again you will need to Control A and then delete everything here. Now delete everything here, and after you delete that, you're almost good to go. One last step, you will need to head back here, and again you will need to search for temp, but this time you will need to put it inside %sign. So do that and hit OK. Now do the same for this as well. Delete everything, and after you do that, you're basically good to go. And that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.